Hello and welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. An exclusive G Fold, or we don't know anything about it, but One UI 8 gives us our first look at Samsung's upcoming trifold phone. And as you can see on the screen here, it is the trifold. The design language is different because it's going to be folding like in a G shape. That's why it's speculated it's called G Fold. And in G Fold, basically I will just go say G Fold or trifold. But in this render, as you can see, the middle part is the cover display while the side parts is the back. So it's interesting, like the back cover and the camera sensors, and the middle part is the cover display. When you unfold it, and if you want to use the cover display, it will be a bit weird, but it's better than the Huawei Mate X, because in that folding display, all of the screen is exposed, so it has safety issues, and the screen can get damaged. But here there is not such issue. And as you can see from the video here, this is the NFC part where the NFC is going to be, so you can use the NFC, and maybe the wireless charging will be there on the camera. And as you can see, it has a hole punch sensor, hole punch for camera. So yeah, it's interesting move by Samsung. They are just sticking with hole punch and not going with under display camera tech for this generation at least. And overall, the design, the small form factor looks interesting. And yeah, let's see. There is a rumor that this G Fold will be shown off during the event which is slated for July, the Unpacked event. And during then they will just tease it and they will not reveal many details, and it is going to be similar to that of S25H, where it will be available worldwide later down the line. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the news? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.